Is the hassle of regularly going to the post office stopping you from starting your own online coffee mug business? Maybe you've settled on believing that print on demand is the only way to successfully run a mug business. If so, in this video, I'm going to prove to you that you can start your own online coffee mug business by doing it yourself. I'm going to show you 3 tips how I manage my orders while working a 9 to 5. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and I've created this channel, DIYMugBiz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you how you can get my free ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit if you're looking to start your own highly profitable online coffee mug business. Now, let's get to the video. We all know that working a 9 to 5 can be hard to go to the post office regularly. You don't have the time of the day to go. Before you start work, the post office hasn't even opened. And by the time you get off work, the post office is already closed. It can be really hard. So here's tip 1. Pick certain days to go. Let's say if you have an order on Monday, maybe wait a day or two so that you can get more orders and make them and then go to post office. You can go on your lunch break or you can go on Saturdays. So instead of going every day regularly, pick 2 to 3 days out of the week to go and drop off your orders. The post office are open on Saturdays, so that may be a more convenient time for you. On Saturdays, they're normally open from either 9 to noon or 9 to 11. So make sure you check your post office operational hours. That way it can be easier for you to bundle your orders and drop them off. Moving on to tip number 2. So tip number 2, if you haven't already know, ask your post office to see if they have a drop-off box. Drop-off box is available 24 hours a day. It's usually by the PO boxes, and the drop-off boxes are usually big enough for you to drop off your packages, your bigger packages too. If you don't already know this, make sure you ask them to see if they have a drop-off in your post office. And if they don't have a drop-off box, I know waiting in line can be such a hassle, especially around the holiday season. Ask your post office if it's okay to just go up to the front of the line to drop off your package. That is allowed because you already have a shipping label. So you don't have to wait in line. So I've actually done both. I've actually dropped it off at the 24-hour drop box, and I've actually walked up to the front of the line to drop off my box at the counter. So that's tip number 2. And because the post office have the drop box, it's way more convenient. While working a 9 to 5, you can come home and make your orders and then drop it off after hours. And that's what I've done for many years. So moving along to our last tip, USPS has a pickup schedule on their website. So if you can't go to the post office and you know you have a crazy hectic day working long hours, you can schedule for a pickup on the website so that they can come and pick up your packages. These are the 3 tips to help you manage your time to the post office. I know working a 9 to 5, it's hard to get around post office operational schedule, but these tips will help you get around them. I know it has helped me for many years. And now I don't even wait in line. I just go and drop it off, or if I'm busy, I'll schedule a pickup. So I hope these 3 tips will help you. But before I let you go, as promised, I'm going to show you where you can get my ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit. I also have my ultimate DIYMugBiz program for beginners if you're looking to hit the ground running. And in this program, I'll show you how you can start your mug business from A to Z. The link for the ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit will be in the description below. Also, you will find that link in the comment. Once you click that link, it will take you to this homepage. Once you're on the homepage, if you scroll down, it will be the first box. Once you click on that first box, it'll take you to the homepage of the ultimate DIYMugBiz starter kit. In this starter kit, you will find the exact equipment inventory you need to start your very own mug business. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find the goods that the starter kit will prepare you and educate you for your own mug business. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll find the enroll button. Once you click on that button, it will take you to this sign up page. Once you sign up, you will get an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please click the like button, Also, if you're thinking about starting your own online mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I will see you in the next video.